Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix our output in Discord. So let's get started. So if you want to fix your output in Discord, which means whenever you try to use your Discord application, your teammates can't hear what you are saying, or the members in your Discord server can't hear what you are saying. So if you want to fix that, what you can do is just simply open up your Discord application. After opening up your Discord application, now what you can do is just simply tap on this gear icon which is on the bottom left corner of your screen. So after tapping on that gear icon, you will open up your user settings, and inside your user settings what you can do is just head over to your voice and video, which is inside app settings. So just tap on voice and video, and inside your voice and video, now what you can do is you have to check if your mic is working or not. So to check, what you can do is just start a mic test. So just tap on let's check, and after tapping on let's check, now if this bar moves, that means you have no problem with your mic, but if it does not, that means your mic is not working. And so to fix that, what you can do is just stop this test, and after stopping this test, in the top you can find your input device and your output device. So if it's on default, what you can do is just change it to the device that you are using to record, which means if you are using your mic or your headphones, you have to change it to that. So I'm using my device, I'm using my mic, so I will change it to that, and I'll also do the same with our output device. So just change it to the device that you are using. So after changing these options, now what you can do is inside your output volume, you can adjust this output volume. So if it's too high, what you can do is just make it low, or if it's too low, what you can do is just change it to too high. And now after changing your device, after changing your input device, now what you can do is below that input device you can find input volume, and now you can change your input volume. So to change your input volume, what you have to do is you have to check if your input volume is too high. So if it's too high, what you can do is just drag it down and make it low, or if it's too low, what you can do is just drag it upwards and make it high. So you can do the same with your output device. If it's too low, you can just drag it up, or if it's too high, you can just drag it down. So after doing that, now what you can do is just scroll down, and after scrolling down inside your output mode, if it's on push to talk, you have to change it to voice activity. After changing that to voice activity, now inside your output sensitivity, what you can do is just close this option, and after closing it, now you can also do it according to your voice. So if it's too high, what you can do is just drag it down and then make it low, or if it's too low, what you can do is just drag it upwards and make it high. So after changing all these settings, now what you can do is you can check if your mic is working or not. But if it's still not working, what you can do is just close it and then close your Discord. And after closing your Discord, in your Windows screen so in the bottom right corner of your screen, here you can find these options which are Wi-Fi, your voice and your battery. What you can do is just right click on that option, and after right clicking on that option, you can find your sound settings. So just tap on sound settings, and after tapping on your sound settings, now just scroll down. After scrolling down, here you can find your more sound settings. So just tap on more sound settings. What that will do is it will open up your sound settings, and now what you have to do is just head over to your recording. So inside your recording, what you have to do is you have to head over to your recording device that you are using, which means you are using your headphones or your mic. So I'm using my headphones, so here you can find that option that you are using. So what you can do is just right click on it, and after right clicking on it, what you can do is just tap on this, and that will refresh your device input. And after completing that, now what you can do is just tap on OK. And after tapping on OK, now you have to check if your output is working. But if it's still not working, what you can do is just in your advanced. But if it's still not working, now what you can do is just head over to your advanced, and inside your advanced settings, what you can do is you can find this option which says troubleshoot common sound problems. And from there, what you have to do is if your output device is not working, what you can do is just tap on output, and then you can contact to a support, and after contacting to your support, you can just tell them that the problem that you are facing, and they might fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix output device in this That's it guys, this is how to fix output device in Discord. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.